Hello, this is Edward from Dimout Fabrics. Continuing our information series of videos, we're going to be looking at wave curtains with different fabrics and curtain rails and how to install them. In this example, as you can see, we've fitted directly to the ceiling and we've used a contract duty white track, which is very unobtrusive and actually decorates the room quite nicely. Nice little shadow gap there at the top. We've used two different fabrics. This is our Mimas fabric, probably our best selling fabric, beautifully soft. Drapes incredibly well, and the pleats just set lovely in there. These have been in a bag in the storeroom for some time and they've come out and not creased at all. If they were creased, obviously we could just steam them. The other fabric is our Horizon Blackout fabric. So this is a total blackout because it's got a 3-pass coating on it. Lovely lightweight, matte finish. What I've done here is we originally had this as a pair of curtains, but I've hung them in between so you can get an example of how you could walk through a pair of wave curtains. So if that was, say, over a set of bifold doors or sliding doors, you could have a gap rather than having to go at each side. But as you can see there, the wave set incredibly well, running all the way through, and it's not letting any light through the product. You do have light seepage at the top because of the way the pleat dresses. You can't avoid that, unfortunately, but what you could potentially do is do a pelmet, but then you'd lose that effect at the top. So a pelmet is a wooden board or a fabric upholstered board. If we now go on to the Mimas product and I draw that across, you can see this is a dim out product. So it is letting a little bit of light through. We've got seepage down the side and down the left-hand side as well. It's probably 90% blackout. We call that a dim out product. Again, seepage at the top and the side. The benefits of the blackout product having the white back, if we go back to Horizon or any other of our 3-pass coated blackout products, is that you get a thermal reduction in the solar transmission because the white colour reflects the heat back out of the window. But at the same time, in the winter, because it's a sealed product and it's 3-pass coated, it's not going to let that heat escape through the window. So we've tested this particular product in the thermal box testing in a laboratory in Germany, and that has shown that with a double glazed window, it will reduce the amount of energy required by 30%. So that's going to save you some money on your energy bills. If you're going to use a product, I'd highly recommend using a 3-pass coated product. The Mimas we've also had tested thermally, but because it's colour matched on both sides, so this is a line product, but the fabric is the same on both sides, it's going to absorb more heat energy in the summer. It also will thermally work though in the winter because it's a triple weave product. The Dimout has 3 layers to it. I believe that came out 28%. I'll have to check the data sheets, but we have them on the website. It's an amazing product, incredible value, and as you can see, just dresses beautifully. Very quickly, for measuring for wave curtains, you're going to measure from the underside of the track into the glider there, which, let me see if I've got one accessible. You can see a glider here, so you hook into there and measure to the floor or the desired length. These are 1 centimetre off the floor. It allows a little bit of movement because the textile moves over time with heat, and just allows that flowing effect. I hope you found this video useful. They're personally my favourite type of curtain, the wave effect. I just think they're very smart, modern, and dress a window perfectly. If you have any questions or samples, anything at all, please get in touch with the team and we look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.